Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to add site links now, not later. First, open Google Ads and pick the campaign or account level where site links belong, choosing account versus campaign affects reach. Once selected, go to Extensions, Site Link Extensions, and click the plus icon. Add a clear site link name and the final URL. Include optional 2-line descriptions to boost CTR. Make sure start and end dates match any promotions, because scheduling prevents wasted impressions and accidental overdelivery. Now optimize the site link details for performance. You'll enter link text that's under 25 characters and add descriptive lines that explain what the click delivers. This improves relevance and quality score. Then apply tracking templates or UTM tags so you can analyze which site links convert. Make sure to set device and location targeting if the offer is limited. Once done, preview the extension and save. Google will review it. So quality and policy compliance speed approval. Finish by verifying and testing your site links in the wild. Use Ad Preview and your analytics to confirm clicks and landing pages match expectations. Review scheduled dates and device targeting. If site links aren't appearing, check for disapproval reasons, low ad rank, or conflicting campaign settings. These are the most common causes. If something's wrong, edit the site link text or URL, adjust bids or extensions targeting, then resubmit. One key tip: policy disapprovals are the fastest fix once corrected.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.